Hi there, I'm Sean Dillman. If you're a lawyer, legal assistant, law student, or pre-law student, stay tuned. In this short course preview, I'll be discussing why you should be using fingerprint readers and how they can benefit you. Fingerprint readers now come standard on many devices, including laptops and smartphones. They allow for quick, easy, and secure access to devices. For computers that don't have built-in fingerprint readers, external ones like these are available and can be installed by USB. There are a few simple advantages to using a fingerprint reader. It's faster and easier to gain access to a computer by swiping a finger than by typing a password. It's also more secure than other types of biometric technology. Only the authorized user's fingerprint can unlock a device using a fingerprint reader. Conversely, anyone can type a password into a device if they can get their hands on it. Using a fingerprint reader promotes greater security by encouraging more frequent locking of devices, even if the device will be unattended only for a short period of time. In general, fingerprint readers offer great value. They're inexpensive and come standard with many devices. A USB fingerprint reader costs approximately $30. I use multiple computers to do my work. One of my computers came with an onboard fingerprint reader, but two did not. For about $60, I was able to add USB fingerprint readers to my computers. When I plugged them in, they worked immediately with the operating system. All I had to do was follow the instructions and swipe my finger until the system had enough images of my fingerprint to identify me. Although I enjoy how fingerprint readers have made my computers more secure and easier to access, I have a few warnings to make. It's important that you never be completely dependent on a fingerprint reader and that you store your password in a secure location which you can access. You may need it if there's ever an error with the fingerprint reader, if the fingerprint reader unit is ever lost, if an update occurs and your system no longer recognizes your fingerprint, or if you need to access a different part of your computer or network which requires your password. Also, a fingerprint reader is not a complete replacement for passwords on your computer. You'll still need typed passwords for many systems and online services. To get started with a fingerprint reader, all you really need is the unit, your computer, and a finger. Most modern operating systems support fingerprint readers right out of the box. When used in offices, fingerprint readers can be used as part of an office-wide security policy, and to promote people to lock their computers when they are unattended, even for short periods of time. I personally use my fingerprint reader countless times, every day, to unlock my computers and phone. If you haven't tried using a fingerprint reader before, I hope that you'll consider whether using one might be beneficial to you. While fingerprint readers aren't the biggest tool in my hardware toolkit, they provide a small benefit in time saving and enhanced security that I enjoy on a daily basis. Thank you for watching. I hope that I was able to provide you with some useful information that you can put into use today. If you liked this video and found it to be helpful, please comment below, leave a like, and subscribe or follow. For more information about me and the full version of my course, please visit me at www.waythorn.com.